lecture, I wanted to point you to this project, which is not due for quite a while, but I thought it really belonged here. This is where you learn assembly code in an assembly emulator, and you can run it on the ARM. That's what I'm doing now because it's an emulator. So we installed Java. I had to install the JDK, the Java Development Kit, not the Java runtime environment. That's what I often find. Anyway, then you just download Jasmine and run it, and it simulates a x86 processor. So if you click New File, it will open, and here you go. Over here you have the registers, EAX, EBX, C, and D, stack pointer, and the base pointer, and the instruction pointer. Here's where you put instructions, and here's memory. So if I, for example, move EAX1, that will put a 1 in EAX, then I can move. I wonder if I can make the font bigger. I think I might be able to. Let me spend a minute trying to figure that out. Configuration, perhaps? Yes. Font. Lucida. Size, bigger. All right, simulated memory size. Let's make it 1024 while we're here, just to make life easier. There. All right. Let's see if that did any good. I'm going to try closing this and opening a new one, see if that, do I have to save it somewhere? Configuration. It may not be helping as much as I thought I was. Lucida console. 17, okay. All right, make a new file now. Okay, this is bigger anyway. Move. Notice how it turns red, and when it's a good command, it turns other colors. EAX1, whoa. Hit some stupid button, go away, go away. Okay, 1, move, EBX2, push, EAX, push, EBX. All right, so none of these have been executed yet. That's what this green thing is. I can run the whole program by run, or I can go step by step this way. So this is the first command, putting a 1 in EAX. There's the next command, putting a 2 in EBX. Then I'm going to push EAX onto the stack. So I push it, and it will appear at the bottom here. There's a 1 going on the stack. Then I push EBX on the stack. That'll put a 2 on there, and they're 32-bit words, so it's pushing 32 bits of data onto the stack. And now if I pop, whoops, down here, if I pop into ECX, that's going to, notice here, you see the 2, now I'm going to, if I pop, it shrinks the stack, so it takes the green coloring away, and it puts that 2 in ECX. Notice that there's leftover data in memory. This is a real defect of real processors. They leave stuff behind in memory. They don't automatically clear it. So if you can access uninitialized memory, it can contain leftover data, and quite a few attacks involve that. So that's all I wanted to show you, a nice little simulator here, and there's a project where you get to put in some programs and run it and see the results. So I just wanted to point you to that. That might help you understand assembly language if this is the first time you've seen it. And